Hello, my name is Vince DiLorenzo and I'm the Dynabrade Corporate Trainer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your Dynafile II into a die grinder. The process for changing your Dynafile II into a die grinder is going to be the same across all models. The only difference between models is going to be the size wrench that you might need to perform the change. Our low-profile Dynafile II, model 40352, is going to require a 12mm wrench. Our electric Dynafile II, model 40610, requires no wrenches, and they will all require a 9/64 Allen key in order to remove the belt housings. In order to perform the conversion, you'll want to first remove your belt, and you'll do so by removing the belt cover, releasing the pressure on the belt by depressing the tension arm, removing the belt, and then taking your 9/64 Allen key and loosening the screw on the back of the belt housing, so you can now remove the belt housing from the tool. From there, you'll take your wrench, in this case on a 40352, a 12mm wrench, and you're going to break the drive wheel free. You should be able to do so by hand, or you may need a vise. From there, take your replacement collet, place it on the spindle, and thread it down, and then tighten with a wrench. There's no torque specs, just hand tightened, and now you're converted into a die grinder. And there you have it. There's your conversion. Again, remembering the process is the same across all models, the only difference being the wrench size that you might need. For any additional information, please reach out to your local Dynabrade territory manager or visit our corporate website.